कोड ऑफ एथिक्स फॉर बायोलॉजिस्ट। एज अ बायोलॉजिस्ट हमें इखलाकियात के कुछ पहलुओं को मद्देनज़र रखना चाहिए। जैसे कि हम कोई साइंटिफिक रिसर्च स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हैं तो हमें सबसे पहले साइनॉप्सिस को सबमिट कराना होगा, इन विच यू मेंशन योर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स एंड द प्रोसीजर इन डिटेल। सो एज अ साइंटिस्ट वी मस्ट remain restrict to those experiments which are mentioned in the reports. And we have to describe the each and every step of the experiment in the thesis. Then it is very important that there should be best interpretation of the results, because sometimes we do our research and experiments but we can't manipulate our data correctly. This is because of the misuse of the biostats. So if we apply a biostats in a proper way, we can interpret our results very well. But if we cannot use biostats or different softwares improperly, then it is very difficult to make the best interpretation of those results. इसी तरह हम दूसरों का काम अपने results में नहीं डाल सकते. This is something plagiarism. Then as a biologist we have to summarize our data very honestly, and here we can include the relevant data which is produced or published by other authors or by ourselves. Similarly, at the end of the article or in the thesis, it is better to acknowledge the contributors. अब contributors कौन हैं? ये आपके biostaticians भी हो सकते हैं. It can be your patients, your subjects from whom you have drawn the blood sample. इनको acknowledge करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because इन लोगों के ज़रिए हमारी research मुमकिन नहीं. Even your financial resources. It is better to treat the manuscript confidentially. अगर आप publication से ही पहले अपने results net पे डाल दें या अपने results कहीं announce कर दें, then it is something very unconfidential. We have to treat the manuscript confidentially so that there should be no misuse of the information. Especially when we are sending our research for grant applications, it is the duty of reviewers to does not allow the use of the manuscript in a improper way. Then there should be no inaccurate or misleading data in your CV, in the scientific applications, in the grant applications, even in the job application. So if you put inaccurate data regarding your research in CV, so this is something unethical. Then it is better to disclose the financial resources. This will increase the worth of your research. अगर आप अपने thesis में financial resources को disclose करें या कहीं national और international conference में presentation के दौरान financial resources को disclose करें, तो ये आपके अपने scientific research पे अच्छा impact डालेगा. The last but the very important code of ethics for biologists is that we have to support our colleagues when they are in difficulties. Difficulties can arise by strict adherence to these codes of ethics. Similarly, biologists have to respect the efforts of the professional organizations.